Alright, listen up, beauty lovers. I know sometimes we get wild hair ideas at 2 a.m., but let's set the record straight. Using cleaning bleach on your hair is a massive no-go. I'm talking run the other way levels of bad. You see, cleaning bleach, like the kind you use for toilets or countertops, has super harsh chemicals meant to kill germs, not to give you platinum locks. Put that stuff anywhere near your scalp, and you're looking at burns, blisters, and hair that might just fall out faster than you can say regret. Real hair bleach from the beauty store is totally different. It's specially made to break down color safely, kind of like the difference between a gentle face wash and straight-up paint thinner. Trust me, your hair will thank you for knowing the difference. And don't even think about mixing cleaning bleach with other products. That's basically chemistry class gone wrong, with nasty fumes and reactions you definitely don't want to breathe in. So here's the hair-raising truth. If you want to go lighter, always use products designed for hair. And when in doubt, leave it to the pros. Your scalp and your strands will be way happier, and you won't have to explain any horror stories at your next brunch. Stay curious, but stay safe. And please, keep cleaning bleach in the cleaning closet, not on your head.